Bersyukur nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Meghalaya Police Umran haringkat kajinget relang bat karib hoy Area Welfare Association kala penlong ya ka program komisi benta ban Rakhe ya ka International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Ha kini ka program ka kong bala kinti umba ka Presiden jong ka Rawa kala pediang ngobha yaki kena skul bat kintu yaki bandon ka jing shlur banyele ban wat jing tip ya kanu ka jing artatin na ki resource person bat ban shimbenta shidhem ha ka jing kun persha ya udrok da ka baong em ya udrok uba lakador em uba ai ya ka jing kren kabakong san syapang gajing don kam banya trailang hapdeng ki pulit ki civil society ki NGO ki college bat ki school kumju uru bat ki dorbar namar tang da kajing trailang onla banya khun persha ya kajing ma kabami na udrok uba Rocky kala u chairman jong ka umsning town dorbar bat uba long ru kum usembut kongsan ula kentui ki samla pule ban long ki baslur ban kren pat ba lada ki yoi badon ki bapenon kam ya udrok ne ban persyang ban penbiet ki samla ban ngop ha udrok ukongsan ha kani gesni uba Luke Rembai na ka Kripa Foundation uba lalad na ka jingkerni ha udrok ulaya sam ya ka jingya lenti ka jong u bat kentui ki samla pule ban hikai na ka jing bakla ki jong u Henry omban sedang setia ban penan kam ya udrok ha ka open mic session ki samla nagi college bapher bat ki trainee jong ka Meghalaya Police Academy lembat ka 6th Battalion Armed Police Training Center ki lapen i yala ki sap ki jongki dak wapen priang ya ka khubor bakongsan ban kyar na udrok ki wei pat ki baladon lang ha ka di ka program ki kan thup ka kong EW Wardry ka resource person uba Orville Masar MPS Additional SP Karibhoy District uba Karalang Hujan MPS Assistant Command ka 6 Battalion u officer in charge jong ko Umsning Police Station kinong yalam samla jong ko Umsning Town Area kinong hikai bat ki samla puli
Kadibani Shah Umba Bangadi Vice President jong kaseng Riboy Area Welfare Association ka Rawa ngapiyang subha yung baro iway hagagerteng jong ka Meghalaya Police Academy Umran.
A warm welcome to everyone gathered here today for the observance of the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking under the National Book Bharat.
The MC of this morning's program. I see the energetic way in which she is conducting not only this program, I've watched her many times. I've been in many programs here in Rawa district and I've seen how she conducts programs. It reminds me.
Contribution to peak in our class, Ibadang Day, class 9, 10, 11, 12.
The maximum like we would go to schools would be faith or sports or this or that, but nothing like awareness about AIDS or awareness about drug addiction, alcoholism. We didn't have that, but you guys, you are lucky that you have bodies like these who are taking such a great initiative to prevent, to educate you beforehand, before you step out of those school uniforms and you face the real world out there. Kila don't lupa kata ka preparation what you online, but the do's and don'ts, what you need to do, what you need not to do. So I won't take much of your time. I just want to thank you for giving me this opportunity to share. And all the best. May God bless you always. Cheers.